Welcome to SCON Design India Private Limited. Land survey is a crucial process that involves measuring and mapping the physical features of a land property. The process is conducted by professional surveyors who use specialized equipment and techniques to determine the boundaries, topography, and other important features of the land. At SCON Design India Private Limited, we understand the importance of accurate land surveying in various projects, especially in construction and development. Our team of experienced surveyors is equipped with the latest technology and knowledge to provide precise and reliable survey data for our clients. We offer a wide range of land surveying services, including boundary surveys, topographic surveys, and construction surveys. We strive to ensure that our clients receive high-quality survey data that meets their specific needs and requirements. With SCON Design India Private Limited, you can trust that your land surveying needs are in good hands. Thanks for watching.